Okay, what we're going to do this afternoon is make up some lanyards. I've got some here that I've made up previously, you can see, and what I use them for is when I'm actually kayaking and you've got some of your gear, I basically tether it off to the actual side of the kayak. As you can see here, I've actually got one that's on my paddle that I use with a carabiner on the end, and basically hook it onto the loops that are on the actual kayak. Basically, all falls over the side, I can retrieve it. Same as my fishing rods, I basically tether all them with a lanyard to the kayak, so I guess in the event you actually fall out, capsize, so forth. Most of the gear I'm going to retain and get back, especially when some of the gear you spend a few dollars on, so you don't want to actually lose it. So, okay, so what we're going to actually need to basically complete this project today is we're going to turn these lanyards from some line trimmer wire, or nylon cord I should say, into this. So we have the line trimmer, nylon cord. We've got actually crimping pliers for the actual steel crimps that we are going to put on the ends of the actual lanyards. I've got two sizes there. I've got a pair of small side cutters to cut the actual nylon cord through, a drill. I'll show you what that's for in a minute. I've got some water here that's basically simmering, so we need some hot water to actually retain the memory of that nylon cord. And we've also got some ice water here that we are going to actually cool the actual nylon cord so it will hold its memory. First off, what we're going to need is I've got some fiberglass tent pole that you use for dome tents. It's perfect because it'll handle being boiled in the water and it's not actually going to degrade like dowel wood, so it's going to be perfect for that. So what I've done is I've cut it at lengths that'll fit in my actual tub, but also give me enough length that we can actually get a lanyard that's going to be suffice for what you want. So and I've drilled two holes in the end. So first of all, we're going to grab our cordless drill. In this case it's not too cordless, and we're going to put the dowel in there, and what we're going to do is we're going to put the actual cord through the actual dowel, leave some length for your actual tail, and then what we're going to do is we're going to as you can see what's happening here. Once we get it up near the end, we'll actually wind the last bit by hand. We'll actually cut that off. Drill makes it much easier to get that tight wind that we're looking for on the actual end. Then we actually poke the tail back through the dowel. That will then actually hold it in on there where we need. Now we will actually drop that in the water. Let them actually boil for about 10 minutes. That'll set the actual memory in the actual nylon, and we'll basically then take them out, put them in the ice water for 10 minutes. Once we've done that, I'll then show you what we do next. Taking them out of the actual boiling water, or simmering water I should say, and then put it in the ice, and this is them in the ice water. I'll just take one out of here, leave the others in there for a second. And let's see how we went. to have worked, which I knew it would. So you just basically pull that tube out of there, and there we have. Okay, one thing we're going to do next is we're going to reverse the spirals, because as you look at this at the moment, see how that's hanging like that? Pick one of these up, see the difference? That one there has had the spirals reversed after from last time. That one's straight out of the thing. It's held its curl alright, but we do need to reverse its spiral. So what we're going to use is grab the drill again. And you can see how just there it's going like that. You can watch it, it's going back down the thing. What we're going to do is reverse that spiral all the way to the end. Straight away, see the difference it's made. It's actually tightened the coils up and they'll actually stay like that. So, except for a couple on the end here, I didn't quite get the looks of it. Then by hand. Done. Alright, now we're going to grab our crimps out of here. And what I'm going to do, the reason why I'm going to make some more up, these already got crimps on. I've got my lip grips here that I haven't got a lanyard on, so I'm going to make one up for there. So what we're going to actually do, slide a crimp on, we're going to put it in through there, and then we're going to come back through. Getting all our distances set where I want them to be, first off. Okay. And we're done. And basically, I can tether him off to the side of my kayak, you can drop over the side, and I can retrieve it back, and I haven't lost it. So, that's it. I've got a couple more here to do, but you get the idea. So, if you just want to make them up yourself, get a fiberglass dowel, your metal aluminium crimps, they're from your basically tackle store, BCF, they're the one you use on your when you make up heavy duty leaders, works perfectly, along with your crimping pliers, your actual nylon cord, line trimmer cord, a metal container to simmer some water in, an ice cream container, whatever container you like with some ice water, all good. Catch us later.